MSI has just revealed its upcoming handheld gaming devices, the Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus. Powered by Intel's new Lunar Lake architecture, these handhelds are set to elevate the mobile gaming experience. Designed to handle everything from AAA titles to a wide range of gaming options, the Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus feature powerful processors, enhanced graphics, and improved cooling systems. Although they haven't launched yet, MSI's latest reveal promises to deliver a new level of performance and portability for gamers. At the heart of both devices lies the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor Series 2, which is part of Intel's next-generation Lunar Lake architecture. This chip optimizes power efficiency without sacrificing performance, ensuring that users can enjoy seamless gaming sessions for extended periods. The processors run at 17W, striking the perfect balance between power consumption and peak performance. Both the Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus outperform many competitors in the same category, with the Claw 8 AI Plus delivering a peak FPS that is 113% higher and maintaining an average 20% higher FPS compared to rival devices under identical power conditions. This makes them a fantastic choice for gamers who need a handheld that can handle graphically demanding games and multitasking without slowing down. The Intel Arc 140V GPU, found in both the Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus, pushes the boundaries of mobile gaming graphics. The addition of Intel XeSS technology further enhances the gaming experience, providing superior upscaling and improved frame rates. It doesn't matter if you're playing the latest AA titles or immersive indie games. The powerful GPU ensures stunning visuals and smooth gameplay on both devices' vibrant displays. The Claw 8 AI Plus features an 8-inch FHD Plus touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, offering gamers a sharp, vibrant viewing experience with 120Hz refresh rate, 100% sRGB color accuracy, and 500 nits brightness. The Claw 7 AI Plus comes with a slightly smaller 7-inch FHD 1080p touchscreen display, but still boasts the same high refresh rate, color accuracy, and brightness for crisp visuals and responsive gameplay. Both devices also support variable refresh rate, which reduces screen tearing and stutter, providing a smoother gaming experience. When it comes to handheld gaming, comfort and cooling are crucial for extended sessions. The Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus feature MSI's Cooler Boost Hyperflow technology, which incorporates a dual-fan, dual heat pipe system to efficiently dissipate heat during intense gaming. This ensures that the devices maintain optimal temperatures, even during long gaming marathons. Thanks to this advanced cooling system, users can play their favorite games without worrying about overheating or performance throttling. The ergonomic design of both devices further enhances the gaming experience. The Claw 8 AI Plus is inspired by wind-sculpted desert rocks, with its sandstorm color scheme reflecting the dynamic energy of gaming. The device's contours are shaped to fit comfortably in the user's hands, ensuring a natural grip and intuitive control. The Claw 7 AI Plus, although featuring a sleeker black design, shares the same ergonomic focus for comfort during extended use. Both models come with redesigned sticks, bumpers, a new D-pad, and Hall effect triggers for smoother, more accurate input. These changes make the devices feel more responsive and comfortable, allowing users to execute precise moves in competitive games or immersive single-player adventures. MSI understands that long gaming sessions demand impressive battery performance, which is why both the Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus have been equipped with larger, more efficient batteries. The Claw 8 AI Plus comes with an 80 Wh battery, while the Claw 7 AI Plus is equipped with a 54.5 Wh battery. Both devices are optimized for power efficiency, ensuring that users can enjoy hours of gaming without worrying about their battery life. Additionally, both handhelds support 65W USB Type-C PD 3.0 charging, making it easy to charge quickly and get back into action. Whether you're on the go or at home, the efficient battery management ensures that you can stay immersed in your game without interruption. For those who need more than just a handheld device, the Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus offer comprehensive connectivity options. Both models come equipped with dual Thunderbolt TM4 ports, which support high-speed data transfer, display output, and power delivery. These ports make it easy to connect the devices to external displays or peripherals, effectively transforming them into portable mini PCs. The MSI Center M software has been updated to provide a more intuitive and user-friendly interface, giving users easy access to all of the device's settings and features. Whether you're adjusting performance settings or managing power consumption, the MSI Center ensures that the device remains easy to navigate. Both the Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus also come with App Player, allowing you to play both Windows and Android games on the same device. This wide compatibility means that gamers have access to an expansive library of games from different platforms, whether it's a AAA game from Steam or a mobile title from the Google Play Store. A new standard for handheld gaming. It doesn't matter if you're a competitive gamer, an avid mobile gamer, or someone looking for a portable gaming device that can double as a mini PC, MSI's new handhelds deliver on all fronts. With their next-gen Intel processors, advanced graphics, and long battery life, the Claw 8 AI Plus and Claw 7 AI Plus are the ideal companions for anyone looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. So, what do you think? Are you excited about these upcoming handheld releases? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.